and today I'm going to show you what a queue is.
Now, here in the United States, we have the idea of a queue. We just call it something different. It's a line. Same idea. If you were to go to England, over there, instead of a line, they use a queue, which means that if you're waiting in line for something, you're queuing up for something. Same idea. So you're going to see a movie. Now, when you go to see a movie, the process is you purchase a ticket, you give your ticket to the ticket taker, and then you go into the theater and watch the movie. Now, let's pretend that there are 100 people that are looking to go see the same movie that you are. What happens? I think we all know this pretty well. So, let's kind of walk through this. If we had our old school movie theater, excuse the drawings, but we have these cool things called stanchions. And what happens is these stanchions are keeping people in line and essentially informing them where to queue up. So, if we have Bob here, Bob has a ticket to the movie. Jill has a ticket to the movie. A nice family behind them also has a ticket to the movie. Now, the ticket taker cannot cut all the tickets at the same time. So what he asks people to do is queue up and wait. The nice thing is that these stanchions are providing a nice little area for them to wait that's organized, and they can just come in one at a time. So, for this nice little ticket taker, he can just have all these people queue up and wait until he's able to process them. So, one at a time, let's change this color. One at a time, these tickets or these jobs that need to get processed will approach the ticket taker, give them the ticket taker will rip the ticket and move on to the next one. And that's pretty nice because the person who comes in, wants to see the movie, knows that all you have to do is queue up. And eventually, once there's an available ticket taker, you'll get your ticket ripped and make your way to the movie theaters.
And that's what a queue is. Be sure to check out some of our other awesome videos. I'm Yaron. Thanks for joining us.